CA Foundation students. Today we have with us Vaishnavi, who scored 338 in her CA Foundation exam and 94 in quantitative aptitude. Hearty congratulations, Vaishnavi.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, we'll ask about her study strategy. We'll start with when did you start your studies?
Ma'am, as and when there were tests given by the academy, I studied. I ensured that I was according to the test strategy here. I mean,
Okay.
as and when the
So
test was
I
scheduled.
started this test and it started in the month of July.
Yes.
And her attempt was in January 2025 exam. So July, August, September, October, November, December, whenever tests used to happen, she used to study regularly. Okay, we'll start with your subject-wise strategy. For all the subjects, have you studied any other material apart from Yashas or ICI material?
Ma'am, for law, I referred to Nitika ma'am's scanner. The Swift scans were really helpful. And for QA, we had the Suchita Prakashan scanner. It covered all the previous year question papers. And the minute you answer all those, you're confident that you've already covered a lot of questions when you go into the exam hall, because many of them are repetitive. So, yes, ma'am.
Correct. So we'll start with accounts. What was your marks?
Ma'am, I scored 83 in accounts.
83. And how many mock test papers you gave?
In accounts, I gave all the RTP starting from the new scheme, that is from June 2024, and MTPs of September and January of ICI, and all the Yash's mock tests that were provided here.
Did you study both Yash's class notes and ICI material in full?
Ma'am, for the theory, I stuck to the notes given by provided by sir, and for the questions, I did refer to the ICI material, but most of it are covered in the Yash's material, so that was very helpful.
Okay. What was your law marks?
Ma'am, in law, I scored 70.
70. Beautiful, because students even struggle to clear in that examination. So what was your strategy? How many rounds of revision did you do?
Ma'am, for law, it was important that in my mind, I had at least 2 to 3 revisions, 2 solid revisions, and the last one would probably be me focusing on those areas which I felt was a little tricky.
So 2 full-time revisions and 1 last for tricky parts. That's
Yes,
what she
ma'am.
told. Did you mention section numbers in the examination, in your presentation?
Ma'am, I didn't focus that much on section numbers because ma'am repeatedly kept telling that section numbers aren't that important. So whichever, but she did, tell us a few of those which were important. So I focused on the important ones and tried to add that in my answer, because it is a plus point for getting good marks.
We are starting with quantitative aptitude discussion. Basically, how many rounds of studies did you do for QA?
Ma'am, for QA, completely I would have studied 3 times, including the Suchita Prakashan scanner. Those
So, scanner 3 times, ICI or Yash's material 3 times, basically.
yes, ma'am. Yash's material 3 times, and the scanner I went through it. I mean, first I solved everything properly, and then a revision of all the questions that were tricky. I made a note of it.
There's something printed as additional question bank in ICI material. Did
Yes,
you actually solve them also?
Ma'am, actually, for a few chapters I did look into that, but some of it I felt were a little too tricky. So, and I didn't focus that much on it. But yeah, on a whole, on future, especially for
Few chapters.
yes, ma'am,
Yes,
for-
understood. For QA, how many rounds of revision did you do?
For QA, I did again 2 to 3 revisions,
And-
especially statistics.
How many mock test papers did you give?
For QA, all the Yash's marks and the RTPs and the ICI marks from September, ma'am.
She's non-statistics background student. Particularly in statistics, what was your study strategy? Because lot of students even struggle with the basics. Like in index numbers chapter, there are too many formulae, so they cannot grasp it, especially in theoretical distribution chapter. So what was your strategy to score more even in statistics part?
Ma'am, I felt statistics, actually, if you know your concepts, it's more scoring. So once you learn the formulae, it would help. And I had this habit of revising the formulae regularly, especially for theoretical distribution. And the day before exam, I went through the formulas like twice or thrice, so I could retain it
Okay.
properly.
What was your examination day strategy? You came back from law exam
Yes.
and you had 1.5 days left for your QA exam.
Yes.
So during this time, did you go through all the questions of ICI material or what was the strategy?
Ma'am, I had marked a few questions that I felt were a little more trickier, and I went through those and the summary notes. And mainly, I focused on those questions which I felt was difficult, and in statistics on the formulae.
So basically, what we would suggest the audience is you set a timer for every chapter, and in that timer, whatever is the tricky question from every chapter that you have already marked, just go through those questions. Your economic strategy.
Ma'am, in economics, I ensure that my concepts were right. And if you focus on the ICI material MCQs, those would be really helpful. And this is what Chansar also told us. A thorough 3 times answer, I mean, when you answer all those MCQs 3 times, you know you've got them right. And along with that, overview of the chapter that so that you cover all your concepts. So the day before exam, Chansar's notes and the MCQs. That is what I.
Overall, do you want to give any tips to CA Foundation students?
Ma'am, overall, I would say, irrespective of what everyone says, it is upon you. I mean, you should put in your effort, and it's all right even if you have like 1.5 day before your exam, and if you follow the instructions that are given by our teachers, especially for the 1.5 day strategy, that would really be helpful. And the day before exam, just focus on those things which you feel are difficult. So because the other things are already covered from your side, and consistent efforts, ma'am. That's all. Hard work.
Thank you so much for all the tips that you have
Thank
shared with us. I hope that audience makes sufficient use of all the tips. Thank you.